Have you heard about Dogecoin and wondered whether it could be the next big thing in crypto? Dogecoin began in 2013 as a joke between two software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. What was initially designed as a fun parody of the then burgeoning cryptocurrency market has grown into a major player in the world of digital currencies. Featuring the iconic Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme, Dogecoin's mascot helped cement its place in internet culture. But over the years, it became far more than just a meme coin. It developed into a viable, recognized currency with real-world utility. This channel provides advice on how to grow rich and the mindset of money. If you like what we do, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. The rise of Dogecoin. At first glance, Dogecoin may seem like a joke, but its story is anything but comical. While its beginnings were grounded in fun, its growth is a testament to the power of community and the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency space. Unlike Bitcoin, which was designed with a specific goal of decentralized finance in mind, Dogecoin was born from a meme. But Dogecoin's low entry cost, widespread use, and steady rise in value have allowed it to become a major player in the crypto world. Since its inception, Dogecoin's appeal has grown significantly, particularly among younger, tech-savvy individuals who saw it as a playful and engaging alternative to more serious digital assets like Bitcoin. Dogecoin's ability to retain its humorous and lighthearted persona while gaining a massive following was one of its key differentiators. Dogecoin doesn't take itself too seriously, and this has drawn a wide range of supporters, from meme enthusiasts to crypto traders who believe in its long-term potential. Elon Musk's impact on Dogecoin. It's impossible to talk about Dogecoin's success without mentioning Elon Musk. His endorsement and vocal support on social media have played a significant role in propelling Dogecoin into the limelight. Musk's frequent tweets about Dogecoin, including calling it the people's crypto, have often led to sudden surges in Dogecoin's value. Musk's influence has been so impactful that many Dogecoin enthusiasts view him as an unofficial ambassador for the cryptocurrency. While his tweets and memes are often intended to be humorous, they've played a crucial role in bringing attention to Dogecoin, especially during moments when it was otherwise struggling to gain traction. Musk's tweets often send ripples throughout the market, driving both speculation and investment, and his continued support has bolstered Dogecoin's reputation as an unconventional yet legitimate cryptocurrency. His endorsement of Dogecoin has also led to other public figures and celebrities taking notice, further amplifying its reach. Dogecoin's community, a key driver of growth. Dogecoin's community has been one of its most defining features. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which were designed by teams of developers and investors, Dogecoin's rise has been largely driven by a passionate and vibrant community of users. The Dogecoin community is often described as welcoming, fun, and enthusiastic. The community has focused on charitable causes, raising funds for various philanthropic endeavors like sending the Jamaican bobsled team to the Winter Olympics in 2014 and contributing to clean water projects in Kenya. This focus on charity and community building has helped to solidify Dogecoin's position as more than just a speculative asset. It's a digital currency that people can rally behind, not just for financial gains, but also for a sense of shared purpose. The meme nature of Dogecoin, coupled with its sense of community-driven optimism, has contributed significantly to its enduring popularity. Can Dogecoin make you rich? As with any cryptocurrency, the question of whether Dogecoin can make you rich is a loaded one. Its meteoric rise has led to incredible returns for some early investors. But as with all speculative assets, it's important to approach Dogecoin with caution. Dogecoin is highly volatile, and its value can fluctuate dramatically in short periods of time. Its price is subject to market trends, media attention, and the whims of high-profile individuals like Elon Musk. This makes it a risky asset, especially for those hoping to see guaranteed returns. That said, Dogecoin's future remains uncertain, and its value could continue to rise or fall depending on the circumstances. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a capped supply and is often treated as a store of value, Dogecoin is inflationary, meaning that new coins are minted regularly. This makes it a less stable investment compared to its fixed supply counterparts. However, for those who are comfortable with risk, Dogecoin could offer a unique opportunity. With its accessibility, low transaction fees, and growing use cases in online payments and microtransactions, Dogecoin holds the potential to grow even further. The key is understanding that, like all cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin should be treated with caution and should be seen as a part of a diversified investment portfolio rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. The utility of Dogecoin. One of Dogecoin's biggest strengths lies in its utility. Dogecoin may not have the same advanced features as Ethereum or the same finite supply as Bitcoin, but it has found its place in a niche market where it's highly practical. Dogecoin's transaction speed and low fees make it an ideal option for small transactions. Whether it's tipping a content creator or donating to a charity, Dogecoin is a fast and cost-effective way to move funds. Dogecoin's use case as a tipping currency has caught on across various platforms, including Reddit, Twitter, and even YouTube. Users can send small amounts of Dogecoin to creators and influencers as a way of showing support. In addition, many online communities use Dogecoin to raise funds for charitable causes. This has helped build its reputation as a digital currency that supports both individual creativity and global initiatives. The future of Dogecoin. Looking forward, the future of Dogecoin remains a topic of much debate. Some see it as a passing trend, destined to fade away once the next big cryptocurrency comes along. Others believe that Dogecoin's fun, inclusive, and community-driven nature will allow it to continue growing and finding new use cases. While Dogecoin's inflationary model presents challenges, its active community, low fees, and accessibility could help it continue to gain traction in the cryptocurrency world. That said, Dogecoin does face significant competition from other cryptocurrencies. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum have a much larger market share and more established use cases. However, Dogecoin has managed to carve out a niche for itself and is likely to remain a part of the cryptocurrency landscape for years to come. Investing in Dogecoin, is it right for you? As with any investment, it's important to do your own research before diving into the world of Dogecoin. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and Dogecoin is no exception. While it may offer huge upside potential, it also comes with the risk of significant losses. Dogecoin's value can be heavily influenced by social media trends, celebrity endorsements, and market speculation. As such, it's essential to understand that investing in Dogecoin carries inherent risks, and it should only make up a small portion of a diversified portfolio. If you choose to invest in Dogecoin, remember to approach it as a long-term play rather than a quick money scheme. Understand that the price could fluctuate wildly in the short term, but that could also create opportunities for those who are willing to hold through the volatility. Final thoughts on Dogecoin. Dogecoin's incredible journey from meme coin to mainstream cryptocurrency is a reminder that the digital currency space is still in its early stages. While it may not have the same technical sophistication as Bitcoin or Ethereum, Dogecoin has proven that a strong community and a fun, approachable message can make a huge difference in the world of finance. For those interested in cryptocurrency, Dogecoin offers a unique opportunity to be part of something that was once considered a joke, but has turned into a legitimate financial asset. Its low cost, fast transactions, and strong community support make it a promising option for newcomers to the world of digital currencies. Comment below with the topic you want to see next. What's the one finance question you need answered?